Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on the piano. To start, you'll need to connect your piano to your computer, often using a MIDI to USB cable. This allows your piano to send signals that the game can interpret as inputs. You'll then map specific piano keys to in-game actions like jumping. This setup transforms your piano into a unique game controller, offering a fresh way to experience the game's rhythmic challenges. When mapping, assign the primary jump action to a key that feels natural and easy to press repeatedly, perhaps middle C. For actions requiring a hold, like flying the ship, you might use a sustain pedal or another dedicated key. Experiment with different key assignments to find a layout that maximizes comfort and responsiveness for your playing style. This personalized setup is key to smooth gameplay. Geometry Dash is inherently rhythmic, making it perfect for piano. Practice the timing of jumps and movements by listening to the level's music and internalizing its beat. Try playing through sections with your eyes closed to focus solely on the auditory cues and muscle memory. Consistent rhythmic practice, perhaps with a metronome set to the level's tempo, will significantly improve your precision and overall performance. For advanced play, consider creating custom keybind profiles for different levels, especially those with intricate sequences. You could even design your own Geometry Dash levels with piano play in mind, focusing on melodic or rhythmic patterns. Remember to break down difficult sections, practicing them at a slower tempo until muscle memory develops, then gradually increase your speed. This approach helps master even the most challenging obstacles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.